Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that will boost your creative game. We'll be diving deep into the world of Canva AI Text to Image Generator. If you're looking to effortlessly transform your text into stunning visuals, you've come to the right place. So, let's not waste any more time and get started. Let's talk about Canva AI Text to Image Generator. Canva, a popular design platform, has introduced an incredible feature that allows you to create captivating images from your text. Whether you are a content creator, marketer, or just someone looking to add a visual punch to your work, this tool can be a game changer. Let's jump right into it. To get started, open Canva and sign into your account. If you don't have one, don't worry, you can sign up for free. Once you are in, click Create a Design and select Custom Dimensions. Now, set your preferred dimensions for the image or choose from Canva's pre-made templates. Remember, the dimensions depend on where you plan to use the image. Now, let's use the Text to Image Generator. Click on Apps on the left sidebar, and mouse scroll down, you can see Text to the Image tool. Ready to dive in? Just tap and unlock. You can see many styles and aspect ratios here. Now you paste a prompt: an elderly Asian man laying down in a bed of vibrant floral flowers and plants, lots of flowers, colorful. Maximalist detail, analog photography. For a personalized image creation experience, please click the Create Your Image button below. Hang on briefly, and you'll discover 4 fantastic image suggestions. Now, select the one you like, and make adjustments as needed. The Text to Image Generator will instantly transform your text into a visually appealing design. But we're still going. You can customize it further. Add graphics, change the background, or even apply filters to make it pop. Experiment with different elements to make your image unique and on brand. If you don't like those images, you can create them again here. Now give another prompt: a cute tiny mouse holding a piece of luxury cheese, Pixar. Then create again. With just a little patience, you'll have access to 4 compelling image suggestions. Select the perfect image, and fine-tune your screen settings for the ultimate experience. Now I select another style named Retro Wave, and prompt a lot of Soviet cats dancing on the dance floor, Retro Wave stage. Just a little patience, and you'll be presented with 4 compelling image suggestions. Choose an image and make screen adjustments. If you require the same image, feel free to create it again from here. Now give another prompt: a Siamese cat, tan with brown coloring, green eyes, ultra-realistic, soft lighting, 4K, sitting on a book. After some time, you will have the opportunity to view 4 suggested images. If you need the same image, you can recreate it from here. Once you're satisfied with your creation, it's time to download it. Click on Download at the top right corner. Canva offers various formats like PNG, JPEG, and more. Choose the one that suits your needs. Now, you are all set to share your stunning image on social media, your website, or wherever you want to make an impact. That's a wrap for today's tutorial on how to use Canva AI Text to Image Generator. We hope you found this guide helpful in adding a creative edge to your projects. If you have any questions or want to share your creations, please leave your comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more exciting tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.